So in my affiliate marketing, network marketing, YouTuber experience, I've come across a lot of people that I feel that, could actually be making money online, but they're letting the thoughts of other people stop them in doing so. All right. So there's so many opportunities out here, right? In this day and age, it's tons of opportunities. So when it comes to, making money online or being an entrepreneur, like, honestly, there is no reason why you can't do it. Straight up, no excuses. But I see a lot of people, they still, and I get it, right? I get it. People, you don't want your feelings hurt. You don't want to be laughed at. You don't want to be constantly nagged or picked on or whatever because you're doing something outside of the box. You're doing something outside of a traditional 9 to 5, or you're not going to college or whatever. It's like you're only hurting yourself, right? Because maybe there is, a network marketing opportunity out there that you want to really get involved with. You secretly watch all these videos and you see these people with payment proof and everything. And you're like, yo, that would be so cool. But I don't want people to know I'm involved with it. Like, how am I going to get leads? How am I going to make money? Because I don't really want to post about it on my Facebook. I don't really want to create a YouTube channel because what if somebody find my video and see that I'm promoting this? Like, a lot of people think like this. A lot of people, and they're letting that thought stop them from achieving the goals that they want to achieve, right? And I'm talking about anything, right? A YouTube channel. People are afraid to start a YouTube channel because they're like, yo, what if somebody from school, seen it, and what if they comment like, oh my God, what are you doing, right? You got people like, oh man, I want to get involved with, the Live Good opportunity that's hot right now, right? But they're like, I don't want to. What are people gonna be like? Man, you doing MLM? Man, you doing network marketing? Man, I don't want nobody to say that. Like, that's what's stopping you, right? That's what's stopping you, and you have to somehow realize that these opportunities out here are real, right? Everybody has these financial goals, right? If you watching this video, you might be like, yo, I would love an extra $5,000 a month. I would love an extra $10,000 a month. And you have all these opportunities that could potentially get you there, but you're not taking action because you're worried about what somebody else is going to think about it. You better believe that no one really cares what you're doing. Be honest with you, right? Most people don't really care what you're doing. If you don't believe me, get involved with something. Post something on your Facebook or whatever. If anything, people just gonna ignore you, right? They're gonna ignore you more than anything. But when they do, the only time people really do start reaching out to you and getting at you is when they see you being successful. These are facts, right? So whenever you're trying to do something or you have an opportunity you're getting involved with, start doing it. Do it. Trust me. Do it, because the people that's like, you think that's going to hate on you, you think that they're going to laugh at you, they will be the first people to get at you when you show the post of you making money online, or when they see that you are a YouTube success. Them are the first people that's going to get at you and be like, oh, congratulations. But more than that, there'll be the same people that's going to be like, so I mean, like, you know what I'm saying? How'd you get started with YouTube? Or, so what's up with that company you involved with? What's up with that Live Good? What's up with that Nexus reward? What's up with that? You know what I mean? Like, do it cost to get in? And then all of a sudden you're going to have this swagger to you, like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Hold on. I'll give you a call later. I'll tell you about it. Or I'll message you later. I'm busy right now. So you got to look at it like that. Like, the idea of you letting the potential of somebody, like, talking about you or downing you, who cares at this point? If you got goals, it's up to you to make them happen. And you can do it. But do not let nobody stop you. Point blank, period. You want it, go get it.